Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in AutoCAD automation using Python. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate the process of generating a bill of materials in AutoCAD using a Python script that I've created. Let's jump right into the demo. First, we need to ensure that the AutoCAD drawing is ready for data extraction. The components or objects in the drawing must be attributed blocks or objects that store data. These components have properties such as material, length, width, and height. Here's an example attributed block for this project. Once the drawing is ready, we can extract the block attributes. Using the Export Attributes tool in the Blocks group of the Express Tools tab, write the appropriate file name of the file that will contain all the data from the attributed blocks. Once done, select the area of the drawing where you want to extract the data. The data of the attributed blocks are now saved. You can check it on the folder where you saved it. Next, we can run the Python script I created to process the extracted data and automatically generate a bill of materials in a desktop application. For demonstration purposes, we will execute the app via Python, but the final output will be an executable file. Here is the graphical user interface of the application. Drag and drop the generated text file which contains the data of attributed blocks into the animated area of the application. As you can see, the app validates the loaded data and processes it into the desired format. While waiting for the app to finish processing the data, let's take a look at the Excel file that will be populated by the app. When the app finishes processing the data, a window will pop up, and we can check the output file by clicking the Open Output Folder button. Let's check the results. That's it. We have now automated the process of generating a bill of materials in AutoCAD using Python. This application can save a lot of time and effort in generating technical documentation and help to avoid errors in manual data entry. I hope you found this demo helpful in understanding how to use Python to automate tasks in AutoCAD. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AutoCAD automation videos. Thanks for watching.